Now I want to go back to the header navigation header to figure out what sort of layout I can have with Shoptimizer. And this is also one of the reasons why I'm moving to Shoptimizer, because I have in here loads of choices for the layout and I can play with them until I'm super happy. So we've said the search is vital to find a WooCommerce resource. The menu is also important, and of course the cart is super important as well. So at the moment this is using the logo, the search, and a potential secondary menu, as you can see here, on the same line. And below we're getting the main navigation and the cart. I could also put, for example, logo, navigation, and cart. Kind of have everything on the same line, which I also like. And if you can see here, you can also have a search magnifying glass basically out of the box, because we said to enable it from here. It'll open in a modal, which is much better than what I have at the moment. And I can even display an account icon on desktop. So this is really cool as well. And it should show a little user icon just following up from the menu. So I'm going to publish. And in fact, if I go on to the home page, I should be able to see both the search icon and the account icon. So let's see if it actually works. Yes, as you can see here, it adds a search and it opens in a modal, or the My Account, and it sends you to the My Account page, which is really cool and super optimized.